What's up everyone, it's your host Jaquil, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this video I'm gonna show you an ad I made using ChatGPT to commemorate the new iPhone 16e. I asked Chat, because we're in the age of AI, and I thought it would be fun to try it out, to see the capabilities, and basically I asked ChatGPT to make me an iPhone 16e ad that was 30 seconds. It wasn't able to make me the ad itself, but it gave me the script. I then copy and pasted the script, basically Kapwing or Kapwing, I've heard both pronounced. Kapwing made the ad for me. However, I thought I pressed 30 seconds as the preset, but it turned into a 1-minute ad. So here is a 30-second script with a 1-minute ad. Let me know what you think about the ChatGPT ad for the iPhone 16e.
The scene opens with a sleek, close-up shot of the iPhone 16e, its screen glowing brightly. Narrator, voiceover, meet the iPhone 16e. A phone designed for tomorrow. Narrator, voiceover. Capture every moment with an upgraded camera that delivers stunning detail. Close-up of the camera zooming in on a sunset, then a vibrant group photo. Narrator, voiceover. And a display that brings your world to life. The scene shows someone scrolling smoothly on the vibrant screen, transitioning from bright sunlight to a cozy dim room. Narrator, voiceover. Fast, reliable, and lightweight. The iPhone 16e fits your lifestyle effortlessly. Narrator, voiceover. Stay powered all day and connected with loved ones. Narrator, voiceover. iPhone 16e. Innovation at your fingertips. The phone glows softly as the logo appears. Available now. Order yours today.
Let me know what you think about the ChatGPT iPhone 16e ad below in the comments. Peace out till the next time.